In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in GIMP. By the end, you'll have a clean, transparent background you can use in presentations, thumbnails, or layered designs. First, open your image in GIMP. Go to the File menu, choose Open, navigate to the picture you want to edit, and click Open again. Give it a second to load, and if needed, fit the image on screen so you can see the entire subject clearly. Next, add transparency to the layer so the background can actually disappear. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. If this option appears grayed out, that's okay. It means the layer already has transparency enabled and you can move on. Now it's time to select the background. Activate the Fuzzy Select tool, also known as the magic wand. You can click its icon in the toolbox or press the U key as a shortcut. Click on a background area to select pixels with similar colors. You'll see a moving dotted outline indicating what's been captured by the selection. If parts of the background aren't included yet, keep adding to the selection. Hold Shift and click Other Background Areas until all the unwanted parts are outlined. In the Tool options, adjust the threshold slider as needed. Lower values are stricter and select fewer tones. Higher values are broader and grab more similar colors. Aim for a clean edge that hugs your subject without creeping into it. With the background selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The selected areas should turn into a gray and white checkerboard, which is GIMP's way of showing transparency. If you see a solid color instead, double-check that you added the alpha channel earlier and try Delete again. After the main cutout, refine any leftovers. Switch to the eraser tool and zoom in so you can work precisely around hair, edges, and small gaps. Adjust the brush size for tight corners and use a softer brush for smoother edges. Take your time here. A few careful strokes can make the final result look much more professional. When you're satisfied, export your transparent image. Go to File, choose Export As, and select PNG as the file format, since PNG preserves transparency. Give your file a name, click Export, adjust any PNG options if prompted, and export one more time to finish. That's it. Your background is removed, and your subject is ready to drop onto any design.